Hey everyone. Today I am here with very special topic and that is water. Water means H2O या हिंदी में आप इसे पानी कह सकते हैं. Do you know what is water? It is a chemical substance which is colorless, odorless and tasteless. ये एक ऐसा केमिकल है जिसमें ना तो कलर है, ना तो टेस्ट है, ना ही कोई खुशबू है. But it is very important for our lives. And do you know something? It has covered almost 70% of Earth's surface. इसने हमारी पूरी अर्थ का 70% कवर किया हुआ है. So in today's topic, I am going to tell you uses of water and sources of water. Now you must be thinking why it is important for us. So, first very important point is we use water for drinking. हम पानी पीने के लिए यूज़ करते हैं बिकॉज इट कीप्स आवर बॉडी हाइड्रेटेड. हमारी बॉडी को हाइड्रेटेड रखता है. ऑल लिविंग बींग्स नीड वाटर टू लिव एंड सो एज प्लांट्स. यू ऑल आर अवेयर दैट ट्रीज एंड प्लांट्स आर लिविंग थिंग्स एंड दे ऑल्सो नीड वाटर जस्ट लाइक अस. देन another important use of water is farming. Our farmers use water for farming. We all depend on fruits and vegetables. We depend on crops. So, to grow them, we need lots of water. So, farmer use water for farming. We need water for cooking and also for washing fruits and vegetables. As we are aware that unwashed fruits and vegetables are harmful for our health. It is important to keep our body clean. So, we use water for bathing. And after bathing, we should always wear clean clothes. So, to clean our clothes, we need to wash them with clean water. So, water is also important for washing clothes. Hello fish lovers. Do you know your fish comes from fresh water? Your fish lives in water. And those who have aquarium at their home, they are already aware that their fish cannot survive without water. Ships and boats, they sail in water. As you are aware that ships and boats are water transport and we export and import many goods on cargo ships. So, ships and boats also depend on water. Now it's time to learn about sources of water. So, first very important source of water is rain. Rainy season is very important for all the living beings. This water gets collected in rivers and lakes that we use for drinking and generating electricity. The next source of water is lake. All the rainwater gets collected in the lake and it is a house of many small water animals. Another important source of water is waterfall, जिसे हम हिंदी में झरना बोलते हैं. This water gets filtered and connects with rivers. Now let's talk about another important source of water and that is well. Well means कुआं. Well water is an underground water and you can spot many wells in small towns and villages. People used to pull water manually from well. Now it's time to learn about dams. Dams are used to stop overflowing of water and they supply sufficient water to the farms. Dams are also useful to generate electricity. Do you know why we need dam? So, we construct dams across a river to store water. So, it's all about sources of water and uses of water. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching.